Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about speeding up your manufacturing process. Let's jump right into it. What is SMED? SMED, which stands for Single Minute Exchange of Die, is a lean manufacturing technique focused on dramatically reducing setup or changeover times between production runs. The ultimate goal is to achieve changeover times in single-digit minutes. The SMED process. Observe the current process, analyze the entire changeover process, identifying every step involved. Separate internal and external activities. Internal activities can only be performed when the machine is stopped. External activities can be done while the machine is still running. Convert internal to external. As many internal activities as possible should be converted to external. This significantly reduces downtime. Streamline and simplify, eliminate unnecessary steps, combine steps, and standardize the process. Standardize, create a detailed, visual standard work for the changeover process. Steps to implement SMED. Identify a pilot area, choose a machine or process with significant change over time. Observe and record the current setup process, gather data and document each step. Separate internal and external setup activities, identify which tasks can be performed while the machine is running. Convert internal setup to external, make necessary changes to move tasks to external setup. Streamline and simplify remaining tasks, use tools like 5S, standardized work, and Kaizen to make the internal setup as efficient as possible. Train employees, ensure all involved personnel are trained on the new procedures. Monitor and improve, continuously monitor the setup times and look for further improvements. The importance of SMED. Increased productivity. Reducing setup times directly translates to more productive machine hours. When equipment spends less time idle during changeovers, it can produce more, boosting overall output. Enhanced flexibility. With shorter changeover times, manufacturers can switch between different products more frequently and efficiently. This flexibility allows for smaller batch sizes, which can lead to better alignment with customer demand and reduced inventory costs. Cost savings. Less downtime and higher productivity mean that the cost per unit of production decreases. Additionally, shorter setups can lead to reduced labor costs as fewer resources are needed for changeovers. Improved quality. By standardizing and simplifying setup procedures, the chances of errors during changeovers are reduced, leading to more consistent product quality. Conclusion. SMED is a powerful tool for improving manufacturing efficiency and competitiveness. By focusing on reducing changeover times, businesses can unlock substantial benefits. If you're looking to optimize your production process, SMED is definitely worth exploring. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.